In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, one of the planet's richest and most challenging ecosystems, countless species have coexisted through millions of years of evolution. Beneath the dense canopy where sunlight only filters through the leaves, where rivers meander like emerald ribbons, and the sounds of birds, insects, and forest animals blend into an endless symphony, humanity has never ceased to be amazed by the bizarre creatures here. They are not only vivid proof of nature's boundless creativity, but also testaments to extraordinary adaptability, each species possessing abilities seemingly beyond imagination. On this journey of discovery, we will follow 4 representative species: the electric eel, the bullet ant, the glass frog, and the basilisk lizard. To gain a clearer picture of the Amazon's diverse and mysterious tapestry, beginning beneath the murky waters of the winding rivers, the electric eel stands as one of the creatures that commands respect from anyone. Despite being called an eel, they are actually closer to catfish, possessing an elongated serpentine body that can reach over 2 meters. What makes them stand out is not their appearance, but their ability to generate powerful electrical discharges of up to 600 volts, enough to knock down a horse, let alone small prey. In the dark water, electric eels don't see with their eyes, but with electric fields, emitting weak pulses to scan their surroundings, then delivering a lightning-fast shock to incapacitate prey. A small fish simply touching this electric field is immediately paralyzed, becoming an easy meal. Furthermore, when threatened, electric eels can coil around their enemies and deliver repeated electrical bursts to immobilize the aggressor. This ability transforms them into masters of survival, both a super hunter and a living weapon that makes other creatures wary. For indigenous people, the electric eel inspires both fear and reverence. Regarded as a spirit animal, warning humans about the immense power hidden beneath the seemingly tranquil river. Leaving the water, stepping onto the damp forest floor, we encounter a tiny creature that instills immense fear: the bullet ant. With a length of just over 2 centimeters, they initially appear no different from many other ants, but the name bullet ant says it all. Their sting is considered one of the most painful in the insect world, likened to being shot, causing burning and throbbing pain that lasts for many hours. The bullet ant's venom system, containing ponotoxin, doesn't kill humans but directly affects the nervous system, causing muscle spasms, cold sweats, and near exhaustion. Yet, this terrifying pain makes this ant central to the traditional rites of the Sadarma people. Young men, as part of their coming-of-age ceremony, must insert their hands into gloves filled with bullet ants, enduring hundreds of stings simultaneously to prove their courage and resilience. This ritual is not just a physical challenge, but also a spiritual connection between humans and the harsh nature around them. The bullet ant is, therefore, both a terrifying small creature and a sacred cultural symbol, reflecting how humankind learns to coexist and find meaning even in the pain bestowed by nature. Continuing to look upwards, we encounter a delicate and fragile creature, the glass frog, in complete contrast to the fierceness of the electric eel or the bullet ant. This frog captivates anyone who sees it. Its tiny body, only a few centimeters long, has skin so transparent that one can clearly see its beating heart and countless tiny red blood vessels within. This transparency allows the glass frog to blend with the foliage, becoming a master of camouflage from predators. But its uniqueness doesn't stop at its appearance. The males of this species are among the most devoted fathers. When breeding season arrives, they select suitable leaves for the females to lay eggs, then take sole responsibility for their protection. Day and night, the male frog guards the eggs, using his body to shield them from ants, spiders, or predatory insects, even maintaining humidity for the eggs by secreting fluids and adjusting their position to avoid harsh sunlight. This behavior makes the glass frog a beautiful testament to sacrifice and the special role of males in the animal kingdom, an image both fragile and proud, like a transparent gem hidden deep within the vast wilderness. Finally, on the muddy riverbanks, a lizard puts on such a spectacular show that it earned the name Jesus Christ lizard, the basilisk lizard. A species capable of running on water, With long legs, thinly webbed toes, and extraordinary speed, they dart across the river surface without sinking, leaving behind small ripples like footprints etched on a mirror. This ability is not magic, but the result of evolution. Each step of the basilisk creates enough thrust to prevent the water from breaking, helping it maintain balance for dozens of steps before diving underwater to swim. This very technique has saved them countless times from the claws of predatory birds, snakes, and other wild animals. Not only an artist of speed, the basilisk is also a resilient survivor, capable of eating insects, fruits, and even small fish. Anything it finds in its ever-changing environment. In a place where life is a constant struggle, the basilisk lizard proves that agility and adaptability are sometimes more important than brute strength. When these four stories are pieced together, we see a larger picture of the Amazon, a place where every species is forged for survival. The electric eel uses its electric field to become a terror of the waters. The bullet ant uses its tiny venom to inflict immense pain. The glass frog uses its transparency and paternal devotion to perpetuate its kind. And the basilisk uses its speed and agility to walk on water like a challenger of natural law. Each species is unique, yet all demonstrate that nature never runs out of ideas in the game of evolution. For humans, observing and learning from these creatures not only brings knowledge, but also serves as a reminder of humility. We are but a small part of the vast tapestry of life, and this world holds countless wonders yet to be discovered. The Amazon is, therefore, not just a forest, it is a gigantic living book, where each animal is a written page, telling us stories of existence, of strength, of love, and even of sacrifice. Stepping into this place, humans not only learn about biology but also find profound life lessons. That strength does not necessarily come from size. That paternal love can overcome danger, that pain can also become a rite of passage, and that sometimes survival is simply knowing how to run fast on water. All these things make up the Amazon, an eternal wonder of life.